Hey, cruisers. So, you've already been on a few cruises. You know your way around the ship. You've got the basics down. But now it's time to take your cruise game to the next level. These 5 next level cruise hacks will help you cruise smarter, relax more, and maybe even save a little money while you're at it. Let's jump in. Tip number 1. Use the ship's spa on embarkation day. Most people rush to the buffet or pool as soon as they board, but here's the hack. Go to the spa instead. On embarkation day, many ships offer free tours, discounts on treatments, or even free access to thermal suites and saunas. You'll avoid crowds, get a sneak peek of the spa, and maybe score a deal you can't get later in the week. Tip number 2, book specialty dining on the first or last night. Want that fancy steakhouse or Italian spot without the long wait or full price? Book it for the first or last night of the cruise. These are usually the least busy nights in specialty restaurants, and many cruise lines offer discounts or free wine just to fill those seats. You get the same great meal with less hassle and possibly a bonus perk. Tip number 3, bring your own power strip. Cruise cabins notoriously lack outlets, but instead of fighting over who gets to charge their phone, bring a non-surge protected power strip or USB hub. Most cruise lines ban surge protectors, so check before you pack. With the right cruise ship approved power strip, you can charge everything, phones, cameras, fans, all without rotating through one outlet the whole trip. Tip number 4, order room service for breakfast on port days. Here is a simple upgrade to avoid the morning buffet chaos. Just order room service breakfast on port days. It'll arrive at the time you select, and you can eat while getting ready. There is no need to stress about lines or finding a table. Check with your cruise line to see if they offer basic breakfast for free or if there will be a small fee. It's a really nice way to start a busy day off the ship. Tip number 5, pre-tip your room steward on the first day. The room stewards are always amazing, but do you want to take it to the next level? Slip your cabin steward a small tip on day 1, just $5 or $10 with a smile and your name. Let them know you appreciate them. Most cruisers wait until the end, but pre-tipping often leads to extra towels, better service, and faster response times. Kindness goes a long way, and it shows you know the ropes when it comes to cruising. If this video helped you at all, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips and advice. And if you've got a cruise trick that blew your mind, share it in the comments. Let's help each other cruise smarter. If you enjoyed these cruise hacks, make sure to check out the video on the screen next. YouTube and me both think you will really enjoy it. Until next time, my friends, happy cruising.